Ever wondered how the world's top hotels and restaurants manage to offer such impeccable service? The answer lies in the field of hospitality management. Welcome to a deep dive into a comprehensive certification program in hospitality management. This program is designed to provide you with the skills and knowledge necessary to excel in the dynamic and fast-paced world of hospitality. Firstly, the duration of this program is 60 hours. Yes, you heard it right. Just 60 hours of dedication, and you could be on your way to an exciting career in hospitality management. This program is not just about theory, it's about learning practical skills that you can apply in real-world situations. Now, you might be wondering about the eligibility criteria for this program. Well, if you have passed your 12th grade, then you're eligible. It's as simple as that. No need for a college degree or previous work experience. The doors of this program are open to anyone and everyone who has a passion for hospitality and a desire to learn. But wait, it gets even better. Along with this certification program, you also get 2 months of job training. This training will give you a hands-on experience in the hospitality industry. You'll get to learn from the best in the business and get a taste of what it's like to work in a top-notch hotel or restaurant. And if you're someone who loves to travel or is keen on gaining international exposure, there's more good news for you. This program also offers an abroad internship. Imagine learning about hospitality management while exploring a new country. It's an opportunity that's as exciting as it sounds. So, just to summarize, this certification program in hospitality management offers a 60-hour curriculum, requires a 12th grade qualification, includes 2 months of job training, and even provides an option for an abroad internship. It's a package that's hard to resist, especially if you're someone who's passionate about the world of hospitality. This program is not just a step towards a career, it's a step towards a promising future. It's a step towards gaining skills that are in high demand worldwide. It's a step towards a career that's dynamic, exciting, and rewarding. So, the next time you marvel at the impeccable service at a hotel or restaurant, remember that you too could be a part of this world. All it takes is 60 hours of your time, a 12th grade qualification, and a desire to learn. The world of hospitality management awaits you.